Imagine this, waking up to a bank account that grows while you sleep. No alarm clocks, no rush hour traffic, no boss breathing down your neck. Sounds like a dream, right? But what if I told you it's not only possible, it's within your reach? In this video, I'm sharing 5 powerful passive income ideas that can help you build a more secure and flexible financial future. These aren't get-rich-quick schemes, but proven strategies that with some initial effort can generate consistent income. Ready to take control? Hit that subscribe button and let's dive in. Idea 1. Digital products. Create once, profit many times. First up, digital products. Think ebooks, online courses, templates, stock photos, music tracks, or even printables. The magic? You create them once and sell them repeatedly. Let's say you're a whiz at social media. Create a guide to Instagram marketing, package it into a sleek ebook, and sell it on platforms like Gumroad or Etsy. Or maybe you're a musician. Sell royalty-free music on sites like Audio Jungle. The initial work is in the creation, but the sales can generate passive income for years. Idea 2. Affiliate marketing. Partner and earn. Next, affiliate marketing. This involves partnering with businesses and promoting their products. When someone buys through your unique link, you earn a commission. Promote products you already use and love through your blog, social media, or email list. For example, if you're a fitness fanatic, partner with a supplement company. Authenticity is key. Only promote products you genuinely believe in. Idea 3. High-yield savings accounts and CD ladders. While not strictly passive in the sense of no effort, high-yield savings accounts and CD ladders offer a very low-effort way to grow your money. These aren't going to make you a millionaire overnight, but they are a fantastic way to make your money work for you while you're building other passive income streams. High-yield savings accounts offer significantly better interest rates than traditional savings accounts. CD ladders involve staggering the maturity dates of multiple certificates of deposit, allowing you to access your money regularly while still earning competitive interest. Idea 4. Dividend investing. Invest and collect. Dividend investing is another powerful passive income strategy. Invest in companies that pay dividends, a portion of their profits distributed to shareholders. Over time, these dividends can add up significantly. Research stable, dividend-paying companies. Remember, investing involves risk, so diversify your portfolio and do your due diligence. Idea 5. Create and monetize content. Share your passion. Finally, create and monetize content. Start a blog, YouTube channel, podcast, or build a strong social media presence. Once you have an audience, monetize through ads, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or selling your own products. The key is valuable, engaging content. This takes time, but the income potential is huge. Find your niche and share your passion. Last one is affiliate marketing. Let's dive deeper into affiliate marketing. Find a niche and companies with relevant affiliate programs. Join, create content promoting their products, and share your affiliate links. Track your results and refine your strategy. So, there you have it, 5 passive income ideas to help you take control of your finances. Which resonates most with you? Let me know in the comments. Like this video, subscribe for more wealth-building tips, and hit the notification bell. I've also included a link in the description to a free resource to help you get started. Now go out there and build your passive income streams.